Most people train push-ups daily, yet their chest barely grows at all. One common push-up mistake silently prevents strength gains despite your consistent effort. Correcting small errors can dramatically increase strength, chest size, and arm development fast. Proper form activates the target muscles, ensuring maximum strength growth every single repetition. Hand placement determines chest, shoulders, triceps activation, and overall push-up effectiveness safely. Elbow angle controls muscle tension and prevents shoulder injuries during push-up execution daily. Core stability maintains alignment, allowing safer and more effective push-ups for growth. Avoid sagging hips to protect your lower back from strain or injury risks. Using full range of motion engages muscles fully for optimal strength and size gains. Slow, controlled push-up tempo increases time under tension, activating deeper muscle fibers efficiently. Coordinated breathing improves oxygen flow, supporting performance endurance and muscle growth simultaneously. Progressive overload matters even for bodyweight push-ups, ensuring continued improvement over weeks. Push-up variations target different fibers, allowing balanced growth across the chest and arms. Wide push-ups emphasize chest development, while narrow variations target triceps and inner arms. Incline push-ups reduce bodyweight load, helping beginners maintain proper form safely. Decline push-ups increase difficulty, activating upper chest and shoulder fibers more effectively. Pausing at bottom increases tension, stimulating strength gains and improved muscle engagement. Controlled lowering prevents momentum, reducing risk of injuries and maximizing chest activation. Shoulder stability exercises support safer, stronger push-ups, enhancing upper body performance overall. Wrist mobility prevents discomfort and enables smooth, safe push-up execution for every rep. Consistent practice builds endurance, strength, and muscular stamina, improving push-up performance daily. Skipping warm-ups increases injury risk while reducing push-up efficiency and muscle activation. Bracing your core stabilizes the body, maximizing muscle engagement during every push-up repetition. Avoid flaring elbows outward to reduce shoulder stress and prevent long-term joint injuries. Keep neck neutral, preventing strain while maintaining proper push-up posture alignment safely. Engaging scapulae enhances posture stability and improves chest activation during push-ups every session. Mixing push-up variations prevents adaptation, stimulating continuous muscle growth over time consistently. Proper push-up form improves performance in other pressing and compound upper body exercises. Mind-muscle connection increases activation, allowing you to feel every contraction properly. Tracking reps and progress ensures continual improvement, maintaining correct overload principles daily. Stretching shoulders and chest post-workout reduces soreness while promoting better recovery and growth. Recovery days allow muscles to repair, rebuild stronger, and improve overall push-up performance. Proper nutrition supports push-up gains, providing energy and aiding muscle repair efficiently. Hydration enhances performance, helping muscles contract optimally and maintain strength throughout workouts. Focused mental effort improves performance, maintaining push-up form and consistency over each repetition. Patience compounds results as proper push-up technique builds strength gradually over time. Small adjustments like hand or foot position create noticeable differences in strength gains. Avoid rushing reps to maintain muscle tension, maximizing push-up benefits safely every session. Mastering fundamentals first ensures long-term strength progress and prevents plateaus or setbacks. Apply these push-up corrections today to build stronger chest, arms, and shoulders immediately.